Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make burger sliders. First, choose 80/20 ground beef for the best flavor and juiciness. Divide the meat into small portions, about 1½ ounces each. Gently form them into patties, roughly 2½ inches wide and 1/2 inch thick. Season both sides generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. This simple preparation ensures a delicious base for your mini burgers. Next, let's cook those patties. Heat a griddle or cast iron skillet over medium-high heat. For a classic slider, cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side until browned. If you prefer a smash burger style, press the patties firmly with a spatula for a crispy crust. Don't forget to add a small slice of your favorite cheese during the last minute of cooking, allowing it to melt perfectly over the hot patty. Now for the fun part, assembly. Lightly toast your slider buns. This adds a nice texture and prevents them from getting soggy. Place a perfectly cooked, cheesy patty onto the bottom half of each bun. Then, get creative with your toppings. Classic choices include a pickle slice, finely diced onions, and a dollop of your favorite sauce. Build them up just how you like them for that perfect bite. To truly elevate your sliders, get creative with toppings. Consider caramelized onions, crispy bacon, or even a dollop of bacon jam for a gourmet touch. Offer a variety of sauces, from classic ketchup and mustard to a zesty sriracha aioli or a tangy barbecue sauce. Remember, the possibilities are endless for customizing your mini masterpieces. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to some great socks and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.